Kobe play?
Rainbow art.
Whoa, Kobe!
We are making shaving cream arts and crafts.
Ooh, that seems messy.
First, take the shaving cream. Oh, it gets messy. You wanna try? Whoa, Kobe! We're gonna make a mountain of shaving cream.
How do we do this?
Yes, smooth it out.
It's like a cake.
It is, you're doing great.
Good job.
So canvas should look something like this. Pick out which colors you want to do. Oh, I love the way you think. Nice.
Ooh, swirly, swirly, like a snake. Oh,
Okay.
you fancy girl.
I like it. We got green. So cool. Now we're gonna do red.
It looks like
No
It
idea.
does. Yellow. I'm gonna take some yellow. Wow.
It's like mustard.
Excited to see the finished product. Take your pencil and you're gonna draw little fun designs. Have fun with it. Perfect.
You can spell your name.
You can spell your name if you want
You can
to.
do art. That's
Okay.
pretty cool.
So we're gonna take a blank canvas here and we're gonna put it on top.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yes. Okay, so we're not done yet. You have to scrape all of the shaving cream off using a card. Press and scrape it off. Wow.
Look at my beautiful art.
It looks wow.
It turned into a rainbow. I made it a rainbow.
It looks like rainbow art.
And now you get to play.
Can I get in on the fun?
What? Miss Kennedy's gonna do it too. Ah.
That's messy.
All right, guys. Well, we're gonna let Miss Kennedy and Kobe play, and we're gonna see you guys on the next episode of Growing Up with Kobe.